amending core fields of GST registration. Example: Ashok's company is registered with GST as a partnership firm. He wants to add details of a new partner. To begin, access the GST portal by visiting the website www.gst.gov.in. From the home page, open the Services menu. Click the Registration category and select Amendment of Registration Core Fields option. The next page opens with Core Fields of Business Details tab by default. Select the Promoters or Partners tab and click Add New button to add the details of the partner. Enter the personal information like name, father's name, date of birth, gender, and other identity information such as designation, permanent account number, PAN, Aadhaar number, etc. The next step requires you to upload a supporting document. Next, upload the photograph. Make sure the photograph is in JPEG format and size is less than 100 KB. Add reasons and date of amendment and then click the Save button. You will see your newly added details of stakeholders listed with options to edit or delete it. Similarly, you can add or edit details in other sections of the registration application. To submit this information in the GST portal, click Continue, which will take you to the verification step. Accept the declaration. Select the name of authorized signatory. Enter the place and sign the application using either of the given options. If you are submitting an amendment application on behalf of a company or a limited liability partnership (LLP) firm, then you must use the DSC option. Otherwise, you may sign by any of the three options displayed. For this demonstration, I'll use the Submit with DSC option. On the warning message, click Proceed. On the GST Digital Signature Signer page that will open, click the Sign button. On successful submission, the system will display a success message. It's that simple.